In the previous video, we started to work with data frames with multi-level indexes. We learned how to reshape them by converting the data into a stacked form using the stack method. Now the question is, can we reshape a stacked data frame back into an unstacked form? The answer is yes. Pandas provide us with the unstack method. The unstacking process performs exactly the inverse operation of stacking. So, unstacking means rearranging the innermost row index to become the innermost column index. Let's look at this stack series again. We can see that it has 3 row index levels. If we apply the unstack method, we can see that the innermost row level has now moved to the innermost column level. If you remember, this is the original data frame we had before the stacking operation. Unstack can also be applied to data frames. We'll use the stack data frame we got previously. We apply the unstack method. As a result, we can see that the last row level, the feature level, has moved to the column level. Again, we got the original data frame we had before the stacking operation. Of course, we can also choose which level to unstack. To that aim, we set the level argument to the index number or the index name, as we did with the stack method. Let's see an example. We want to unstack the first row level of churn stacked. We set the level argument to 0. In the output, we can see how this level has moved to the column index. Remember that if we don't set the level argument, unstack moves the last column level by default. We can do the same, but using a level name. We set the level argument to credit card. As a result, the reshaped data frame has the credit card level moved to the column index. Notice that the stack and unstack method implicitly sort the index levels. To change that, we can use the sort index method. In our example, we set the ascending argument to false. The resulting data frame contains the row indexes sorted by descending order. One useful way to rearrange levels is to chain the stacking and unstacking processes. Let's unstack the second row level and then stack the first column level. In the output, we see that the row level named first appears now in the column index. Also, the column level named year has moved to the row index. Let's unstack some data frames.